If you know a bit about SEO, then you might have heard of the nofollow attribute. And what nofollow is, it's an HTML attribute, which we can see here. This is on WordPress.org. It's a very helpful page about nofollow links. You can see here that this link has the attribute rel, and that is equal to nofollow. Alright, so what that means is that this link, the page that this link goes to, will not be factored into the site's search engine results. Alright, so if there is no rel tag, then it's follow, and the search engines will consider this link when they rank the website. Now, WordPress, I think it's been since version 1.5 that all blog comments, all the links inside of blog comments are by default nofollow, and that was to combat spam, because people would just leave their links and no helpful comment. So that's the reason that they've done that. There's been a lot of criticism about the nofollow attribute, because people feel like if they're avid readers of a blog and they participate and leave helpful comments, they should be able to get that backlink to help their blog and their website, and that's totally understandable. But I guess just the number of spam comments that were being left was just overpowered that. So I would think that that's why WordPress decided to do that. And they even have some articles going to articles that are bashing nofollow. You can disable nofollow in your blog if you want your commenters to be able to leave their link and actually get credit for it as far as Google search bots. We have do follow, follow URL, do follow, and nofollow case by case. So there's a much bigger list you can look at here. Just look at this page, it's really helpful. Now, as far as, sorry about that, as far as the content itself, the blog post itself, you could manually add a nofollow link if you want, but we also have a plugin called Ultimate Nofollow, which gives you this nice option to add it to your link, this graphical option. So I'm going to download this and just install it. So I'm in my WordPress site. I'm going to go to Content and Plugins, and we'll go ahead and install this plugin. Where did I save that to? You know what, we'll just look for it from in the back end. So I'm going to go to Plugins and Add New. We'll search for Ultimate Nofollow. Okay, here it is. Okay, activate. Now, if we go to settings, we get this nofollow option, and we're going to say nofollow all links and comments. So this is where we can disable the nofollow in the comments. So let's just give that a try. Nofollow all blog roll links. Okay, so this will override individual selections. We're not going to touch that. So what I want to do now is see if we can actually use this plugin inside of the post view. Alright, I've never used this plugin, so bear with me. Let's see, let's create a link. Let's just say you can find more info here. And let's see, let's add a link to this. Alright, so here's the functionality right here. Add rel no follow to link. So let's just say google.com. So let's save it without checking that first. So we'll update this post and go ahead and reload. So there's our link. Now if we use Google Tools, we can check this out. Alright, so you can see here it's just the href attribute and the link. So let's check the no follow checkbox and update that. Update, reload. So now you can see it has the rel no follow. Alright, so no follow is usually recommended for paid links because Google does not want people purchasing links on a website for SEO. It's fine for advertisement, so that's why if you are going to do that, if you ever purchase a link on another website, you probably want that no follow, because if Google catches on that you're trying to boost SEO using that method, it could give you some negative effects.